Hi students and friends, welcome to the channel Learn and Teach by Sir Ayaz. I will continue the topic for grade 8 science. The topic is food and digestion and learning outcomes are from the book International Lower Secondary Science Book 3 published by Marshall Cavendish Education. The learning outcome for this lesson is to explain what is meant by digestion and why food must be digested. So in this lesson, I will talk about digestion as we are done with the types of nutrients and tests for proteins, carbohydrates, and fats. Let's start with this question. What is digestion? Digestion involves the breaking down of large insoluble food molecules into smaller and soluble ones. Why food must be digested? Digestion is important for breaking down of food. Nutrients in the food is released, which is then used for energy, growth, and cell repair. Recall the name of the nutrients present in food: carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, minerals, fiber, and water. Food and drink, not water, must be changed into smaller molecules of nutrients before the blood absorbs them and carries them to cells throughout the body. List down differences between physical and chemical digestion. Digestion involves both physical and chemical processes and actions. So I will talk about the basic differences between these two. Physical digestion involves mechanical action. Chemical digestion does not involve any mechanical action. In physical digestion, no new substances are produced. But in chemical digestion, new products and substances are always produced. This slide shows the type of human teeth involved in physical digestion. Starting from left hand side, the first teeth is molar. This one is molar, and this one is premolar and canine. The last one is incisor. Explain physical digestions in humans. In physical digestion, large pieces of food are broken down into smaller pieces. Physical digestion starts from mouth. Different types of teeth break down the large food molecules into smaller ones. For instance, incisors cut Cut and slice food into smaller pieces, not grinds, and crush small pieces of food. Can I tear the food, etc. The muscles in the stomach also undergo physical digestion through continuous contraction and relaxation. So here's a summary of today's lesson. Digestion involves the breaking down of large insoluble food molecules into smaller and soluble ones. Digestion is not a simple process as it involves both physical and chemical processes and actions. It is important for food to be digested because the process of digestion helps in the conversion of large and insoluble food molecules into small and soluble molecules. Small molecules like nutrients can easily pass through the cell membranes into the cells. Physical digestion involves mechanical action. In physical digestion, large pieces of food are broken down into smaller pieces. Physical digestion involves only mechanical action. No chemical reaction takes place here. It's only breaking of big particles into smaller ones. In physical digestion, the type of molecules does not change. Physical digestion starts from mouth. Different types of teeth break down the large food molecules into smaller ones. For instance, incisors cut and slice food into smaller pieces. Molars grind and crush small pieces of food. Canine tear the food, etc. The muscles in the stomach also undergo physical digestion through continuous contraction and relaxation. Thanks for watching. Please like and share my video. For more videos, subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.